How to use Telegram direct messages in channels. Telegram's direct messages for channel features allows users to send private messages directly to channel admin or owners without sharing phone numbers. Subscribers can initiate this via a bubble icon in the channel, while admins manage this request in a separate section of chat list. Now, how subscribers use direct messages in channels? Open up Telegram and head over to the particular channel. Once you head over to the particular channel, what you can do is you'll have the members there. Locate the messages bubble icon at the bottom of the chat interface here, then compose your message to the channel administrators. Right? Now in my case, it's not enabled here. Now as an admin, you want to open up your Telegram channel and go to channel settings. Once you go to channel settings here, you'll be able to find various options. Then what you can do is you can enable or disable direct messages. You can tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you'll be able to see permissions and your administrators options. You can see admins options, you can see permissions option, you can see send message, and you can enable it as well, allow direct messages as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.